Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you.
Thanks for coming today. This is the hashtag 2019 Openers Open. Piece of pipe.
Here I go ahead and use my whirly gig to deburr the inside of the tube. Then I use my file to file off the burrs on the business end of the opener. I have a little end cap here that I want to use. So I put it in, and now I want to drill a hole through there for a lanyard. And I get my automatic center punch out and go ahead and center punch that so I could drill it. So when I go to drill it out, I forgot to turn on the camera. So now the hole's already drilled, and I'm thinking I shut off the camera, but I'm actually setting up for the next operation here. There you can see the hole's already drilled. And this is where I was setting up to countersink both sides of the hole. That gets rid of the burr, plus it looks a lot nicer. Get my air hose and blow out the chips and all the file shavings, because next I'm going to paint it. Here I go ahead and put a light coat of paint on. It's fast drying, so while it's drying I go ahead and cut up a piece of this leather, and this is what I'll use for my lanyard. So now I go ahead and get my second coat on, and there I have the leather lanyard on and finished painting it, and it's hanging to dry. Once it's dry, we can go ahead and try it out.
Here it is. Now this lanyard has got
two purposes. One, you can hang it, and the other is you can use it for a wrist restraint, and in case you get a tough bottle that's hard to open, it won't fly out of your hand. You know, you'll have it right here always, handy to go. So let's give it a try. Look at that. Works good. A little of my favorite root beer, a lot of foam in there. That's the way I like it. Pappy's corner opener. So go to hashtag 2019 openers open and check them all out. There's a handful of them out there. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.